How to make a ringtone on iPhone with GarageBand. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GarageBand on your iPhone to create custom ringtones, and you can even use songs that you have downloaded to your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So in GarageBand, we can create beats that can be ringtones, but we can also use song files that we have downloaded on our iPhone. So if you need a place to get those, what I recommend doing is using a free website called pixabay.com. Once you get here, you can scroll to the right, select music, and then in here, they'll have tons of music that you can download and use as a ringtone. So once you get a music file downloaded on your iPhone, we can open up GarageBand. Once GarageBand opens up, go ahead and select the plus symbol in the top right to start creating a song. In here, if you want to create your own beats and everything, scroll to the right, select the instrument that you want to use. But if you want to use a song file as a ringtone, select audio recorder. Then once you get in here, select this little gear icon in the top right, and then select metronome and count in. Turn off the count in and then select done. Then turn off the metronome at the top. Once we've done that, select the icon right here with these white boxes. And then now we can add our song by selecting the little loop icon right here. So once in here, select files and then browse items from Files app. So this will bring you to the downloaded song files you have on your phone. You may need to look through to find them. This is one I downloaded from Pixabay earlier. Give it a second to load into GarageBand. Then all we need to do is long press it, and then it will be dragged to our actual timeline in GarageBand. So from here, you can select the actual song and see these little lines up in the front. You could cut off the front or the back. Keep in mind the maximum length of a ringtone on your iPhone is going to be 30 seconds. So what I recommend doing is trimming the portion of the song that you want as long as it's 30 seconds. So I'm going to just cut off the end of the song and just have the beginning right there. So once we have the ringtone the way we want, and we can listen to it right here by just selecting that, all we need to do to use it as a ringtone is select the little down arrow in the top left, select My Songs, then find it right here in this list, long press that, then select Share, and then select Ringtone. So now we can give it a name and then select Export. If your ringtone song is over 30 seconds long, it's going to let you know that. Just select Continue to cut it down to 30 seconds. And then once you see this, select Use Song As, and then select where you want to use it. You can use it as your text tone or even assign it to a contact. I'm just going to use it as my standard ringtone. So now we're done. We can go into the settings on our iPhone. And if we want to be able to control that even further, go down to Sounds and Haptics, and then go down to Ringtone, and you can see that the song is now in my list of available ringtones. So if you go back to any of these options for a custom ringtone, if you select them, then scroll all the way down, you'll see the song that you just added. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.